Well, why would we be looking at a wheel? Well, simple. 3 of the wheel nuts were loose, 2 were tight, and what was the symptoms? Well, Mazda CX7 accelerated okay, changed gears okay, but when you took your foot off the accelerator, knock, like something in the automatic gearbox was stuffed. It's just a front wheel drive, so there was no 4-wheel drive transfer case involved in this case, and you could accelerate again and take your foot off the accelerator, knock, and then as you just gently put your foot on the brake, the noise would go away. And there we go. 3 of the wheel nuts, whoever had this wheel off last, were loose. 2 of them were firm. This is the first time she's here, and I'm sure she'll be coming back and back and back and back and back. Wherever you are around the world, see you later. You are amazing.